It will be cooler all day today.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Or so. There you see them picking up again in the North Bay Peninsula too. This is going to be onshore. That's also going to bring some more of that marine layer, really fortify it, maybe clean up parts of the Bay Area in terms of this campfire smell and so forth. However, hopefully by that time, firefighters will really have a good handle on all of this here. And it looks like some winds lingering all the way until about Thursday. Again, this will be all onshore by that point.